I'm pretty sure a lot of people have went through this issue where you have a car key battery die or about to die, and going to the dealership, you may have to set an appointment, you may have to talk to people, whoever knows how long, for the smallest thing. It probably costs you about like $20, $5 to $20, something like that. So right now I'm going to show you how to save maybe $5 to $20. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is take out the key. So right here, there's always a button somewhere that you press to the side or pull to the side or press, and you pull out this. Now, this is your emergency kit. This will get you in your car in case you lock yourself out. Pretty much all this for. If you get yourself a small screwdriver, right, this area right here, you can stick the screwdriver in between there, twist, which will pop this open. So, as you see, screwdriver in between the two M's, you see, pops open. Now, once it pops open, you'll have two pieces. And having those two pieces, one side is the battery and the brain, and the other side is just the shell. Well, it's protection, and the other side of the shell. Okay, so the thing that you want to do now is you want to take that small screwdriver, that same small screwdriver, and you want to put it under one of the sides of the battery. And when you do that, just give it a little push so then the battery can pop out. So it's like a lever, like that. So your pressure will be applied here. So once you apply your pressure here, boom. The shell itself somewhere will act as like a triangle, which will help you get that pressure. So bam, now it goes up, the battery comes out, or pops out on one side. You can slide that battery right out. Once you slide it out, you can take your new battery. For mine, this was the battery. So I had to, this was the battery. So I had to get an Energizer 2030 lithium. Now, honestly, I don't believe the brand matters, but that was what I seen and that was what I bought. Now, once you replace the battery, all you gotta do is take it, pop it back in. Once you pop it back in, it's the same thing for the casing. You take this casing, see how it's back together right now here? See how you layer it back together. Once you layer it back together, make sure you pressure it on all four corners. Boom. It should pop in. If not, take it apart, try it again. It's usually not that hard, just take your time. Make sure you apply a good amount of pressure because you don't want it popping open on you when you put it back on your keychain. Now, there you have it. You have literally just took apart your own key for your car, replaced the battery, saved yourself about $5 to $20, whatever it may be. Now, the crazy thing was this: when I first filmed this, the audio sucked, like it was bad, right? So because the audio was bad, I had to redo it. So we're redoing it. It's kind of like not that much of an excitement thing anymore. So let me put this back in so you can see. But this is when I did it the first time, and I'm gonna actually show it to you. No, but I'm still gonna show it to you. We just went through the process of that, of how I learned it, and now I'm showing you, but this is something that I just found out right now. Now, I took out the key, right? Boom, took out the key. Seeing if it fits in between there. It fits in between there. That little area, it fits in there. Now, you hear that? Pop right open. Look at that. Both pieces. Now I could quickly change that battery. And I did not use any tool. I specifically just used the key that came with it. I was hyped. I had opened up my key. I didn't need to go get a little screwdriver. I didn't need to go do any of that. I did it with the key, the actual key. So, shout out to Honda for being very, how would you say, resourceful. So that may be a Honda hack. I I don't know if that's a hashtag or whatever like that, but that may be a Honda hack. You can actually use the key to unlock its key to change the battery. Bars. Anyway, I hope you learned something from this. I hope you enjoyed it, baby. Hopefully I got some good music back here, or behind all this, that entertains you at least. But if you've ever wanted to save $5 or $10 on your car key, here you go. Now I do have footage of me going to test it out. It's daylight right now because, like I said, I had to redo this audio. So footage I'll be showing you is at nighttime. But appreciate your watch. Please remember this. Save as much money as you can when it comes to your car. Do as much stuff as you can yourself. It's a learning experience and it's knowledge that you can pass on. Simple and plain. So live your talent. I'm out of here.